Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Last week I showed you all the pieces of this dollhouse laid out, and since then I've measured, labeled, and separated everything. These are the foundation pieces, and these are the exterior walls. To build the foundation, I flip a floor panel upside down and glue and tape the foundation pieces on top of it. This helps keep everything square as it dries. I'm using tacky glue, and I'm not gluing the foundation to the floor yet. Once the foundation pieces are assembled, I use the edges of the floor to double check that everything is straight. While that's drying, I move on to the walls. First, I use a file to square off all the window and door openings because the edges are slightly rounded from the manufacturing process. I'm using Houseworks Yorktown windows instead of the windows that came with the kit. After a few passes with the file, I test the window to make sure it fits, and I repeat this for all the walls. Next, I lay out the pieces I need to complete one full wall set for the first floor. Here I have them stacked in the order they need to be assembled. I temporarily tape the walls together, and it really helps to have a second pair of hands for this part. My daughter is helping me hold the walls in place as I join them together on the floor. The walls need to sit 3/8 of an inch from the edge of the floor, and I'm using one of the dividers that came in the kit to measure it. After that, we trace the walls inside and out on all the floors. Once that's done, it's time to paint. The instructions say to apply a coat of interior semi-gloss latex paint before sanding. For the siding, I'm using a soft dove gray from Home Depot. For the trim, I'll be using an off-white. This first coat soaks into the MDF and helps you get a smooth surface after you sand it. Here are all the pieces with the first coat of paint. After the paint has completely dried, I sand each lap of the siding with 220 grit sandpaper until the paint becomes a little transparent and feels smooth. My next step will be apply a second coat of paint and then paint the interior walls. Be sure to subscribe so you can follow along with this build. And don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching.